Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just wanted to do a little check-in with you this Monday morning, or well, Monday afternoon now. Anyways, working on this 2018 Dodge Durango with the big smash in the fender here. So I showed a little bit of video yesterday as far as the starting of it. So I went on ahead and got some of the trim and stuff removed, the wheel liners out, this upper headlight trim. I just wanted to do like a visual inspection of it here. And I actually went on ahead and started doing some dent repair on this. So how I started out this repair actually was using the Keco, what are they called, Centipede tabs. Basically what this tab is let's flip this camera on here. So I actually already pulled on it. So this tab here is pretty sweet. So if you're not familiar with it, I've got a whole bunch of their stuff. But this tab here is actually adjustable. And what that does, so this tab actually goes on the panel and I'm actually able to bend it and twist it. So it's got all these little joints in there. You can actually bend and get this going here. So what's up, everyone? So moving this tab around, you can actually form this to the crease or whatever you're trying to work on. So I mean, it's you know, like this one had a little bit of a light wave to it. So like if I had to do a crease and let's say it was, I don't know, whatever, S shape. I mean, I can literally bend that in a matter of just a couple seconds to whatever shape I want. And I believe this thing will go, oh, can't see it that far, but anyways, probably somewhere around the 18 to 20 inches total, I suppose, something like that. You can literally just sit there and keep adding these pieces on. So this is one of the addition pieces. So basically, see how it's got a little lock-in system there. Hey, what's up, Chris? Thanks, man. And these actually just push in here, and now it's clipped in. So now I've made it longer. I can do another one. Now I won't be able to get it in. So, and you can, you know, go down to really small sizes, such as here's only 4. Here's, I don't know, a dozen. So anyways, just starting out this repair here on this Durango fender. So I'm actually using some of the Carbon Tech slime glue. You can see I've got a little bit of hog glue on there. That's actually what I used prior on those tabs. So it had a little bit of glue residue on there. So I got the old James Lee Elimident glue gun fired up there, as well as the trifecta one from Anson. That's got their Anson cold weather glue on it. So just kind of showing you as far as some of the, let's go ahead and get this camera turned around and show you how this dent looks. After just one glue pull. So I went on ahead and glue pulled it, and I'll kind of show you here how I went on ahead and did that. So it's already come out. Obviously it's a little high there, but we need to work the rest of this damage out, and then we're going to go ahead and continue to work this area out as well. So as you can see, it's a pretty good sized crease, that's for sure. Let's go and get this PDR light on here. Really be able to see it. So like I said, yeah, the slime glue works really, really good. That's and I'm up in South Dakota here, so it's colder. And I mean, I keep my shop at about 68 to 70 degrees, something like that, and it's been working great. So I know some other people have been talking about how the glue is definitely, you know, a little bit more warm weather sensitive, but man, I've been using it for probably a little over a month now, and it's worked fantastic. So anyway, so here's kind of some of the progress on the fender here. Like I said, got some of the this was the deepest part, actually. Oops, sorry. This is the deepest part here, and I pulled all that out already with just one simple glue tab. So how I went on ahead and did that was I already showed you the glue tab that I actually used. So this guy here, the Keco Centipede. And then as well as the K-bar. So this is actually the guy that I used. So I actually put this little foot down on the tire. And then this, God, I can't do this one-handed. But hold on. All right, so basically what the puller looks like is something like this. And then that blue spot up there, over by my finger there, is what pulls on it. So I definitely need to get some type of a stand for this. So anyways, so what I do is this leverage point is off the tire, and these tabs actually connect into here. And that allows me to pull on each individual one. So I don't have to pull the entire area out all as one, I can kind of work it out. So I can work out maybe the deepest spot, bring that up to the next shallower spot, and then just keep working the damage out and real uniform. So it's a really good way to go ahead and glue pull areas out. So anyways, I just figured I'd show you as far as what we're working on today, and as well as what I'm using to actually get this big damage out. So this was a fender that was actually written for conventional repair. You're looking at replacing the fender, blending the door, blending the hood, and blending up and over the rail to get this as a correct color match, because it is a high metallic black. So it's I think it's PJX and whatnot. Anyways, so that's kind of some progress that we've done already this morning here. If you got any kind of questions or anything like that for me, go ahead and just direct message me right here, and I'd be happy to answer anything for you. You can call or text me at 605-250-1023, or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com to go ahead and see about filling out a contact submission form, and we'll go and get back to you as soon as we can. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your Monday. Take care.